Designed to provide educators and students in distance learning environments with an efficient, convenient, and cost-effective self-service exam process, Remote Proctor Now from Software Secure delivers on-demand, proctored exams that enable students to test online, anytime, anywhere with integrity. When students are ready to test, they simply click into RP Now. First, there's a self-guided system check that ensures students can complete the test free of technical issues. Next, the clean and simple interface allows students to easily select an exam and enter the information required to verify their identity. Before they begin, students are provided with exam policies on screen, so they always know exactly what's expected of them. Using the same security procedures as professional testing centers, RP Now fully authenticates each student's identity. Additionally, a room scan is conducted to demonstrate the student is starting the exam according to the rules. Once they've selected an exam and their identity has been authenticated, the student simply clicks a button to insert the password to start their test, ensuring only students using RP Now can get in the exam. During the exam, RP Now automatically records the entire exam experience. Everything is reviewed by at least 2 certified proctors, so if a student cheats, we'll catch it. After the exam, the school receives a report that includes any exam policy violations, along with links to the recorded video and audio. RP Now not only includes qualified and thorough human review, but also uses customizable proprietary technology, enabling faculty to choose what programs to restrict exam time access to, including chat programs. RP Now combines an easy-to-use interface with identity verification, proprietary lockdown security, and professional review of a complete recording of the exam experience to ensure your institution can test with integrity. To learn how you can easily integrate RP Now with your learning management system, please contact Software Secure today.